research tool that allows you to get very specific and see how you can capitalize in the keyword SEO world. It's called keywordrevealer.com. And if you'll go there, you can start using this app for absolutely free. You do have to sign up, so go through the sign up process, put your information in there. It doesn't require a credit card or anything like that. You just have to sign up because it gives you a limit of 10 keywords per day. But I think you'll find it really helpful if you'll sign up. So you go there, and then once you load this up, you'll see the keyword research tab. Make sure that's clicked, and then come over here to add a new search. So what's great about this tool is that it reveals really low competition, high potential keywords within broad categories. So you can start broad here, and maybe we want to write about pets, but we need to find a niche within that category. And you can do this for anything, but we'll say pets for this example. So add that as a new search, and it'll take a few moments, and it's going to look for low competition, high potential keywords within the category and niche of pets. So here we have it loaded, and it's going to start out by showing you the average monthly search for each keyword. So cat, really large amount here, over 4 million, PetSmart over 3 million, dog over 3 million, puppies over 1 million. And you can kind of start going down here and go to the next page, maybe go to the third, fourth, maybe fifth page, and you can start seeing where you could find a niche within this or some kind of topic that you could blog about and actually rank for. So maybe instead of just writing about dogs or writing about pets, you could write about miniature dogs. Average monthly search, only 14,000. That's a pretty good bit, but it's not so much that you can't compete in it. Cost per click, only 29 cents. And you can actually evaluate, by looking at this, how successful you could be at doing that. And so I definitely recommend that you try this out. Do it for whatever keyword you're looking for. You can do up to 10 a day, and so you can get very specific with this and learn what keywords you can capitalize